guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Maria. This is my first YouTube video, which I'm so excited and happy about. So yeah, I wanted to do a Q&A so you guys could get to know me a little bit more. So yeah, I posted on my social media so you guys can ask me questions, and I pick a few. So yeah, let's get started. First question is, how old are you? I am 20. I was born in July 12, 1998. The second question is, where are you from? I am from Michoacan. Third question, how many kids do you plan on having? I honestly plan on having 3 kids, and yes, I already have 1. So yeah, 2 more. Next question, how old is your baby girl? My baby girl is almost 5 months, and she turns 5 months in 2 weeks. Yeah, my baby's growing so fast. Next question, what do you love doing the most? What I love doing the most, honestly, is makeup. I love doing makeup, which I took some classes because I just love doing makeup, especially on people. I just love it. I love it. Next question, where do you stay at? I stayed in Houston, Texas. Next question, what do you thought about your husband when you first met him? Honestly, I thought of a lot of things, but the first thing, when I got on the car, I saw him, I was like, oh my god, he's so tall. Because honestly, he's like huge, like he's tall for me because I'm super short. So I was like, oh my god. But yeah, the next thing I thought about him was like, wow, he's cute. Like, I just fell in love with him. Next question. Let's see. I got lost. How long did you last with your husband before you got married? Oof, I honestly didn't even last a long time with him. We just last almost 8 months. It was 7 months and a half, and then we got married like right away. So yeah, we actually only had like 2 months to plan the wedding, which that was like so quick. So yeah, next question, do you regret getting married? No, I don't regret getting married. I am honestly in love with him, and he's like the best thing that's ever happened to me. So yeah, I don't regret getting married. How was labor? Oh my goodness, labor was hard. It was so hard for me. So I wanted to do a YouTube video on just focusing on my labor, because I had a lot of questions about my labor and my delivery. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a video about that, so you guys, you know, can give you more information and all that. So next question, did your husband stay by your side during labor and delivery? Yes, he actually did. He never like left at all. He didn't leave. He was just there with me all the time. He was there holding my hand. He was praying. He was making sure that everything was fine. He was checking that the nurses would do their job and take care of me, and he was just there. And yeah, I'm so happy he was there. I was like kind of like shocked, because he's that type of person that doesn't really like being around all that, like. But yeah, he was there, and yeah, I'm so happy he was. So those are all the questions for now. Oh shit. So yeah, those are all the questions, but I hope that you guys like my video. But yeah, you guys, I will be posting more videos. I will be doing makeup videos, cooking challenges, pranks. I'll be doing all that. So yeah, don't worry, I'll be posting a little bit of everything. And so yeah, I hope you guys liked it. You should subscribe and click the bell button so you can get notifications every time I post. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.